A Firestick flashing on and off typically indicates problems with the resolution. Software or cable. Common causes of this issue include software problems, a damaged HDMI cable, or incorrect display resolution settings. To resolve the malfunction, a soft reset can be applied by unplugging the Firestick from its HDMI port, then unplugging the TV from the wall outlet, and waiting for 60 seconds before plugging them back in. If the issue persists, inspecting the HDMI cable and port is necessary. Disconnect the Firestick from the cable. Ensure the cable is straight and undamaged. Check the port for debris, and verify the HDMI plug's pins are intact. If the cable is damaged, it should be replaced. Additionally, try connecting the HDMI cable to a different port on the TV. As a final step, adjusting the display settings can resolve the issue. Go to the TV's settings. Navigate to Display and Audio. Set the video resolution to automatic, and turn on the Match Original Framerate option. After attempting these solutions, check if the flashing has stopped.